secure outdoor objects. West. Southwest winds this evening will become northwest tonight, 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts 45 to 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. High wind warning in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. West. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? In Massachusetts, Berkshire County. In New York, eastern Schenectady, southern Saratoga, Albany, Rensselaer, and eastern Columbia counties. When? Until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest gusts will occur along with and just behind a strong cold frontal passage this evening. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles.
There's supposed to be another one of these, but alright.